70% of the people in the United States, this is something you could read online, don't have wills. 70%. So who makes your will if you don't make yours? The government. You like the way the government's going to make your will? There it is. That's your will under government. Your separate property will go this way. Your community property will go this way. There it is. You don't need to talk to me anymore. There's. So, what is a will? It prevents that from happening. And I brought this. Someone noticed it at the beginning. She said, "What's this?" She says, "What's that? I'm not supposed to notice stuff." What is this?
Gas filter or oil filter?
It's an oil filter. An oil filter. Okay, everybody likes an oil filter, right? What's an oil filter? If your car doesn't have one of these, you're in trouble, right? It's a tool. This is a tool. Okay, now it's a great tool. You have it hooked up to your car. Now what do you have to use this tool? What do you have to do? What's the first thing you have to do with this tool? Before that?
Take the old one out.
Take it out of the box.
Oh, okay.
Take it out of the box. Okay, it's not going to go. Take it out of the box. Okay, the same thing with a will. Let me tell you, you have 4 years to probate a will. I just probated one recently. We filed it on the exact fourth year, on the exact day, which made it a valid will. Had I filed it a day later, it would have been an invalid will. We'd have to do one of these. Okay, and that happens often. That happens often. Because people, and I'm telling you that now so you know, when you got a will, when you have a will, it just doesn't execute itself and take care of it. That lawyer didn't tell me. You know, we tell people when we do their wills, if the will is not valid until the judge looks at it, you have a probate procedure that says, this is a will, boom, and he signs a court order that goes on top of that will. And what it does, what a court order on a will does, it makes your will law. Your will becomes law. Isn't that what you want? You want your will, and you get to make your own law. On how, even greater than the president and Congress, on your property, you can decide how it goes that beats everybody. Of course, the IRS will get a chunk of it, but not on my estate, because you have to have more than 12 bucks. Okay, there's certain exemptions, but also creditors can attack your will, because the property you have, if it's encumbered with liens and things of that nature, the creditors get theirs. You know, they're gonna say, "Oh, I'll give it up." Well, there's exemptions. There's a lot of exemptions that your probate lawyer can tell you about that keeps the creditors out. And one of them is the MERP, Medicaid Recovery Fund. If you've used Medicaid during your life, or your loved ones used Medicaid, and what happened prior to 2005, when you died, your house went straight to the kids, if that's what you will say. Now, Medicaid gets a piece of it if you drew Medicaid. Medicaid is taxpayer, not